Disclaimer: this video is for education purpose only. No copyright infringements. This copyright belongs to its rightful owner. Credit goes to respective online composers, teachers, institute and speakers, as well as credit goes to video music composers and singers. Dear students, I would like to request you to please like, comment and share my video channels to your friends. SSGM College Kopargaon, Rayat Shikshan Samstha, Faculty of Commerce and Management, SYBCom Semester 3rd, Academic Year 2020-21, CBCS 2019 pattern. Subject is Business Communication by Dr. Nikam Vijay B. Chapter is second, Business Letters. We learn how to write business letter and how to draft business letters. For drafting business letter, we are having next example. Our next example after the order letter is order form. How to order? So, Praise Emporium, Darji Galli, Bijapur is giving a order letter. They are mentioned on the top order form title. This is one order form. Order should be in the detail, and this will be a detailed information. The illustration format is shown here. Kindly supply the following serial number. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 columns are there, and near about 10 rows are there in this illustration, and we are able to observe that serial number 1, description, quantity, unit price and amount. These are the 5 columns are there. Liberty Terrelin shirts 3 light blue, pattern number 72, 3 white, pattern number 36, quantity 6 of each, unit price 175 rupees and total amount is 1050. Serial number 2, Aristo terracotta shirts 3 white with blue checks, pattern number 18, 3 stripped, pattern number 9, both designs of 16, neck and 20 sleeves, quantity 6, unit price 150, amount 900. Zodiac neckties number 3, color and design as per the pattern number T12, 15, 16 and 18, 2 each, quantity 10, unit price rupees 70 and total amount is 700. After that, coupling sets number 4, coupling sets Zoom brand as per pattern number 28 and 56, 3 each, 6 set, rate is 60, total amount is 360 rupees. Number 5, Scratchlon free size socks, color and design as per pattern. Number 10, 12 and 15, 4 each, pairs 12. After that, rate is 45, total amount is rupees 540. So the total rupees of order is 3550 less 15% discount, it is 533 rupees. So total packaging and postage extra and net order value is 3017 rupees. So we are able to see the order form in detail, that all the contact numbers, fax, telephone number of PK Sai and Sons, Mudhul, they had given, and they are writing order to Praise Emporium, Darji Galli, Bijapur. So for the uniform of their employee, they had ordered this form. Each item description is given there: item number, pattern number, style, color, brand, set name, and sizes of the cloth is given here. How much quantity they need of each order, it is given in detail. Unit price, what they quoted, that amount is also taken from the illustrated catalog, and they had mentioned in this order form. Total amount of each item is given here. After that, total of all is given in below. Whatever discount is committed by the company, that is less from the total order value, and net order value is given here. Please send the goods by parcel post. Terms 2% 30 days from the date of invoice. So this kind of all detail is available in order form. Our next example is example 2. In this example, we are able to see the requirement of the letter. You have received a quotation from Rakshit Mills Limited for high grade woolen suitings. So you have received a quotation. Quotation is sent after the advertisement. While placing the order, make it a point to ask them to accept the order only if they are prepared to reduce the price by 12%, since equally good suitings of other companies are available in the market at affordable prices. So here the sender of letter is negotiating for 12% price discount, and they need high grade woolen suitings. For that they are placing the order. So here we are able to start to observe the letter format. Rakshit Mills Limited, 54 Anthrolikar Nagar, Solapur. Dear sir, thank you for your quotations of 10 June and the samples of suitings of Rakshit Mills Limited. The quality of your suitings is good. This is complimentary. But the prices are rather high for our market. Equally good quality suitings of other mills are freely available at prices approximately 15% less than yours. Full stop. In such situation, it is difficult to pursue the customers to purchase your suitings. Full stop. Paragraph change. We would welcome a consignment of 200 meters of your suitings as per the details given in the enclosed order form, provided you can reduce our prices by a minimum of 12%. Paragraph change, you should find a large order exceeding rupees 80,000, means they are telling that next order they will give of rupees 80,000 if they are ready to do business with them. Worth of concession requested. You can be sure of still larger orders if you can make your offer really competitive. A prompt reply will be highly appreciated, means they are asking for a prompt reply by other company. Yours faithfully, ABC, enclose order form number 1949. So here we are able to observe how to give orders in simple way by asking some discount, and how to negotiate in business language with the other companies. Execution of order. The receipt of every order must be promptly acknowledged either by ready printed postcard or by a special letter. Every order is an opportunity for the seller to build a profitable relationship with the customers. So, the acknowledgement of the order must express the seller's pleasure and gratitude, and must appreciate the customer's interest in the goods. It must be a medium of mentoring, mentioning the favorable aspects of the goods, terms and condition of services. Such a draft will create psychological value for the goods and services to be added to the commercial value that the customer places upon them. The acknowledgement of an order is legal acceptance of all the points mentioned in the order. Hence, the order must be read carefully before accepting and acknowledging it. So, dear students, in this lecture, we had observed specimen order letter, order form, as well as the example how to place a order and how to execute the order. Next, hints for drafting and acknowledgement. What kind of acknowledgement hints are given in this page? We have to observe. Number 1, prompt execution in full. Thank the party for the order. Number 2, specify goods you have dispatched or the time by which you will dispatch them. Number 3, state the total amount of invoice and attach the invoice to the letter. Number 4, invoice means what? Number 3, invoice. Invoice means what? A document that contains information about product, information like size, color, weight, length, all numbers, prices related to product is mentioned in invoice. First we have to make quotation, after that sale is done, transaction is happen, then invoice is created. After that, number 4, refer to the need of prompt payment, but do not stress this point. If the bill has been debited to the party's account, make a mention of it. Or If the invoice and other papers have been sent through a blank, request the party to arrange for getting the papers released from the bank. So many times the parties are keeping their goods with them and they are giving that invoice for some advance and getting loan from bank, and then they are making payment to the seller. Number 5, mention the mode of dispatch, that is post parcel, passenger or goods train, truck, etc. By which mode you are dispatching, you have to mention it. Number 6, reference may also be made to the quality, popularity of the goods, and a hope may be expressed that the goods will satisfy the consumer's requirements. Number 7, maintain a personal tone throughout and show your eagerness to serve the customer in all possible ways. So you have to mention some sentences to show your eagerness, your personal contact with them, and possible ways for the customer. Number 8, impress on your customer that fact his order has been given personal attention. Number 2, prompt but part execution. Number 1, thank the party to seller. This is another type of execution the order, but they are going to execute order in two parts. Thank the party for the order, number 1. Number 2, mention the goods you are supplying immediately. Number 3, state the reason for inability to execute order in full. For example, order is huge and your production capacity is completed 50% of order, then you have to place that 50% order in first lot, and in second lot you have to make remaining order. State the reason for your inability to execute order in full. Number 4, give the probable andaje date of by which you can supply the rest of order. Number 5, suggest reminder to keep the order alive. Sample of execution of orders. XYZ 24 Avenue B, New Delhi 2. Dear sir, you will be glad to know that your order of 28th March has been promptly filled in. The tins ordered by you have been dispatched, and you should be getting them in about 4 days' time. Your customers will certainly be pleased with the excellent quality of the Netco and Setco products. If you wish to have any further information, just you write to our representative, Mr. P.K. Gosavi, 45/9, Phadke Street, Mumbai. He will be glad to serve you in any matter relating to paints and particular the Netco products. Yours faithfully, ABC, enclosed a copy of the invoice. So these are the hints and format of acknowledgement or letter to execution of your order. So these are the parts in which you can execute your order in full, execute your order in part. So dear student, please like, comment and share my online lecture with your friends. Subscribe my channel so you will get important notification of my lecture. Thank you. You can download this PDF file. Link is mentioned in description box.